Right now in Milwaukee County, we have 70 pantries, meal sites, and shelters that are working together to provide food to those in need. My name is Imelda Roman, and I'm a site developer for Hunger Task Force. As a site developer, we go out in the community and work with pantries and different meal sites. Neighborhood House of Milwaukee came in at a critical time. Having Neighborhood House join the network at the time that they did was essential.
We want to create a real connection with a lot of our clients. We want them to tell friends and family in case they're in need of food. I'm Sage Matson. I'm the food pantry manager here at Neighborhood House, and I was hired on to create policies, create our distribution methods and models, train new volunteers, and ultimately open up a brand new program for Neighborhood House.
Neighborhood House had never had a food pantry operation in any of its years of existence. I'm really proud. It came out of nowhere, and it's turned into being a really important piece of our overall package here at the community center. My name is Jeff Martinka. I'm the executive director here at Neighborhood House of Milwaukee. Since 1945, Neighborhood House has been a full-service community center, primarily serving the near west side of the city.
We worked with Jeff and Sage to make sure that the building met the needs for the food pantry. And at Hunger Task Force, we always talk about having food given with dignity. One of the ways that Neighborhood House has done that is by providing a list at the entry of their intake format to know what the person would be able to take with them, what they can eat. We want to make sure that they get a balanced meal, but we also want to make sure that that balanced meal is a meal that they're going to eat.
At Neighborhood House, instead of pre-packing bags like a lot of other organizations are doing during the pandemic, we created a choice model system. We've created a menu so people register and then they meet with a menu taker.
I'm really proud that we went to a choice model here at our food pantry, and frankly, to me, it just makes sense. No one shows up at a grocery store and says, "Give me a bag." It doesn't work that way. Human beings don't choose what they eat that way. Giving them a chance to pick adds dignity to their lives, and frankly, I think it adds nutrition to their lives. It's a model that makes sense in all regards.
It really reduces our food waste as well. When we allow people choice, it tells them, without saying it in so many words, that we respect them as an individual with unique and personal needs.
It was a joy to work with them, and it's still a joy to work with them. We come as site developers and visit every month to make sure that things are going well. They have access to us over the phone, via an email, for anything that they need.
Working with our site coordinators is wonderful and helps us maintain how we run smoothly and operate at kind of a higher capacity than we would be able to if we weren't working with Hunger Task Force, I think.